right, we are going to be installing this YITAMOTOR light bar up here on the back of the Jeep. Give me a little bit more visibility when I go to reverse. So, all right. Everything's pretty well packed in there. Nice foam bricks to keep everything kind of in place. That box kind of fell apart. But, it looks like we still got everything that was in there. Some little hardware. You got that? And our adjustable brackets. And wiring instructions. Cool. Let's take a look. All right. Let's take a nice quick look at it. Thank you. A nice little close-up view. You can see everything that's going on in here. So I believe these lights are packaged in these different designed housings so that you get a different style light output. One is a more focused spotlight type style, and the other one would be more of a floodlight. And it also looks like you kind of get these extras on the ends here to help project a little bit of light out of the side as well, so you get a nice wide coverage with the light. Everything looks like it's put together with these little Allen heads right here, so you can take it apart, serviceable. And then there's our adjustable mounting points right there. So, all pretty straightforward. Real simple wiring on this. Comes with pre-cut, kind of just 2-wire setup. So we just connect these to hot and ground. You put these on a switch, or in this case, going to be connecting them directly to the reverse circuit. So let's go ahead and start putting that together, and we'll check back once it's up there. All right, so we've got the mounting kind of mocked up for now, but the wiring is all set up. So go ahead, Karin, switch into reverse. Bam, and you can see that is putting out quite a bit of light, even in this room right now with all the lights on. Wow, that thing is really bright, even off to the side. That is a really bright light. Let me go, I'm actually, you know what? Hold on one second, I'm gonna go turn the lights off and see how that looks. Come back out of reverse. Oh, that is dark. Wow. Go ahead, go out of reverse. Reverse. That really makes a little bit of light. Now let's try coming over here. And one more time, out of reverse. And go ahead, reverse. And you can even see over here, quite a bit of light off to the side. And on this side, quite a bit of light that's throwing out. And what is otherwise a really, really dark room. So there you have it. That is the YITAMOTOR. I don't remember the length on it, but that is their triple row, full width light bar in action.